What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman back to do another review. This time we're going to take a look at the EK7000 by Akaso. Going to go through, test it, do a little bit of testing, and see what how it performs. So, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman, and I would like to first say thank you for getting here, however you got here, okay? But anyway, if you're new to my channel, I do gear reviews, tutorials, beard product reviews. I do a little bit of everything around, I'm working on everything around the outdoor and hiking arena. Also, get over to Instagram and Twitter and check me out over there. Handle is the same on both. And be sure to like this video. But anyway, today we're going to get into the Akaso EK7000 action camera. I'm not going to go super in depth with the technical aspect of it, but we're going to go through and kind of look at a few things, and we're going to go outside and do a little test run with it. So, alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. So, this is the Akaso EK7000 4K Ultra HD action sports camera. Alright, so we're going to take a brief look at it. Just kind of going through. Alright, so this is your power button right here on the front. Right now I have a Class 10 32GB card in it. Your shutter button. LED light to let you know when it's recording and various things. Your up and down buttons. These are used to turn the Wi-Fi on and off. These are used to toggle through your images when you're in playback mode. And they are used to toggle through the menu when you're in the menu settings. If you can see this right here, that is the speaker. That is what, or the microphone, excuse me. That's the microphone. So, you've got two ports here. One is a micro or mini HDMI, and the other one is a charging port. So, all right, we'll turn it on. This is the 32, like I said, the 32 gig. So we can cycle through the modes using the power button, and this red light's telling us that it's on. So right now, it's telling me that I think I have one or two little short videos on here now. So it's telling me that I've got 2 hours and 57 minutes left of record time in 1080p, 60 frames per second, which I don't think y'all can see that. Let's see if it'll... Anyway. So then if I hit the power button on the front, just click it, then it'll take me to still images, photographs. If you can't see right here, it tells you what they are. These are 12 megapixel and wide, and it tells me on my memory card I have room for 9,999 more. Next mode is multiple shots, so burst, 12 megapixel wide, and 9,999. And then time lapse, same thing. And then we get to the settings. And then to select any of it, you hit the shutter button at the top, and it will take you to the options in the menu. And then you just use your side. It does not have a touch screen, so you use your buttons on the side, your up and down, and that will take you through all of the features. So, and then once you scroll all the way down, you just hit the shutter button to select, and it closes out of the menu. Now, with it just in regular mode, it's ready to video right now, and I can hit this up and down button. If I hit the up button, it's going to take me to playback. Alright, so we don't want that. So if I hit the down button, it turns my Wi-Fi on. So the up button is playback, bottom is Wi-Fi. And then if I hit it again, it turns my Wi-Fi off. So, alright, so I didn't want to go super in depth with the technical aspect of it, but I am about to go outside and do a test. The Akaso EK7000 comes with a waterproof housing. It looks like this. It fits in there nicely. It does well. Attaches to any of the GoPro accessories, which is nice. So it comes with that. Okay. I know that because of that being the speaker, we're not going to get real good sound quality in here. So I want to test it, and I'm also going to test it using this. And this one, it just snaps in. I have to go back and look. I think this housing came with the camera. I did buy an accessory kit that I reviewed, so I put the tag or the card up here. So yeah, that is it clipping into this. So I'm gonna do a test with this one as well. We're gonna run them both using just a monopod selfie stick, and try it out. So I'm gonna mount one here. I'm probably gonna do this one first with the waterproof housing. So I'm gonna mount this one here, do a test, run it for a minute or so, talking and walking in the woods, and then I'm gonna swap it out and put this one on and do the same thing. So I'm interested to see, I know there's gonna be a difference. I'm interested to see how loud of a difference it is. I'm noticeable. So. Alright guys, so this is without the waterproof case. Same setup other than the waterproof case. Same distance away, same talking, same walking through leaves. Nothing really changed other than the waterproof case. So really this is just a test to see the audio clarity. So yeah, I'm fixing to turn it around and just walk. All right. I am curious as to how this, I mean, I know it's going to sound better without the waterproof case, but I am curious as to how big of a difference it's going to be. So, yeah. Alright guys, so we made it back inside. So, after watching these videos, because I've watched them after I recorded them, but it's a no-brainer. If you're going out and you want good audio with some good images, then you need to be running this route or no case at all, or one of the other various options. This case if you can tell, will actually slide onto one of the clips that you could clip on somewhere. So you can use this in many different options. But if you're only doing still photos or video with no audio, and you have a risk of being in the elements, then this would be the way to go. You wouldn't want this if there's going to be any need for audio being recorded, because it's not going to pick it up, as we just saw. So these are the two cases that come with it. I don't think either one adds that much weight that it wouldn't behoove you to carry both. I will probably, when I go places with this camera, will carry both. But anyway, so if you found this video helpful, useful, knowledgeable, whatever, please hit the like button, get over there and hit subscribe. If you yourself have done a review of sorts with the Akaso EK7000 and maybe done a different spin on it than what I did, drop me a link in the comments. I want to check it out. I want to see what everybody's doing with these cameras. Don't drop me a link on how to add an external mic. I'm not breaking this camera apart. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Get over there, subscribe, drop me a comment, hit the like button. And from the Bearded Outdoorsman, as always, have a good one and God bless.